Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So I had a very interesting and exciting debate with a friend of mine, okay? And this friend of mine happens to be a programmer. So what I actually said to kick off this debate was that I believe, in my opinion, that forex trading is more complex than programming, okay? Like I said, he's a programmer, so definitely he defended his own position, okay, that programming is more complex than forex trading. So I'm going to be giving you some points. If you know that you're actually a programmer, you can drop it in the comment section. You can drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this debate. What do you which do you think is more complex? Do you think forex is more complex than your programming and coding, or do you think programming is more complex than forex? Okay, so I'm a forex trader. Definitely I'm going to speak as a forex trader. So some of the points I gave is that programming, I understand there are complexities to it, but definitely I feel you can put a time limit to it. All right, so 1 to 2 years you can actually master programming, in my opinion. But I'm telling you, there are a lot of forex traders out there that have spent up to 3 years, okay, trying to make forex work for them, but yet they have not been able to wrap their head around it, okay. They have not been able to turn into profitable traders. All right, so one other thing I also want to add is that I feel, in my opinion, that forex is very dynamic, okay, which is why a lot of forex traders find it difficult. Okay, it's dynamic in the sense that once you feel you've actually gotten an idea of how it moves, it can just change all of a sudden. Okay, and it is changing because probably things, fundamental reasons, on fundamental grounds, okay, things that are happening in the world could actually make the movement of whatever pair it is you want to trade to change. Okay, it's gonna change style and pattern and start giving you something different from what you've been used to for the previous years. So you need to calm down and try to understand it afresh, understand the movement of your favorite pair afresh, then you start trading based on that system for that period. Okay, so that also makes it complex. So you can't put a time limit to forex trading. You can't put a time limit to it. There's always something to work on, making it complex. Okay, on the surface it looks as though it's easy, but when you come in and when you come into the industry, you understand that okay, it's easy on the surface, but it's actually not that easy. I'm not saying this to scare anyone, but I'm just telling you the truth. This is not as easy as people think it is on the surface. Okay, because one of the things this my friend said is that is it not about buying and selling? Okay, is it not about just clicking a button to buy and sell, do small analysis, click a button to buy and sell? No, it's deeper than that. And that just gives me the idea that a lot of persons that are not really forex traders, they actually think this is easy. Okay, but over here I'm telling you, you pay for your mistakes in dollars. Okay, so your account balance will tell you whether you're making a mistake or not. Okay, and most times you're gonna see reductions until you get to a certain level. It's when you've gotten to a certain level that you can now be able to put a lot of forces together to draw out profits from this market. And what are the forces you're putting together? Your technical analysis must be 100%, must be on par. You must actually know what you are doing when it comes to your technical analysis. After that, you still need to go and master your risk management. Okay, you master risk management. You master what's it called, your psychology. Very important. And that psychology, you can't even put a time limit to psychology, because even experienced traders, I myself, I'm still handling or working on some parts of my own psychology. Okay, greed will also always come from time to time. When you're very certain of your strategy, you might want to increase lot size beyond the reasonable lot size you are supposed to use based on your risk management. That reminds me, aside from risk management, you still need to go and master something else called trade management. So there's always something you need to learn as far as forex is concerned. And not as if you learn it once, you learn it, then once you've learned it, you have to start working on perfecting it. So something like an area of forex, like forex psychology, is not something you just learn and then you say you have completed the learning, so you are now a master of it. No, because you are dealing with yourself. Okay, so it's not something you just read in a book. Now there are a lot of good books on forex psychology. You have books, what was it called? I'm trying to remember the name of this very popular guy, Mark Douglas. Okay, Mark Douglas has a lot of books on forex psychology. So let's say in one of his books you've read something about greed and how you can work on it. That does not mean your greed will disappear overnight. You still need to work on it for several months before you can now deal with yourself to stop yourself from being greedy when you are actually in a trade. Okay, so if you got any value, subscribe to the channel. If you actually have anything, probably there's something I missed out when it comes to this talk of programming being more complex than forex trading, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's hear your views also. Okay, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.